Von Graz nach Alanya, entlang des Mittelmeer. Heute Tag 2, Montenegro nach Griechenland.
From Graz to Alanya, along the Mediterranean. Today, day 2, Montenegro to Greece.
Graz'dan Alanya'ya Akdeniz boyunca. Bugün, ikinci gün. Karadağ'dan Yunanistan'a.
Граца до Алании. Вдоль Средиземноморья. Сегодня. День 2. Из Черногории в Греция.
Like this video? If so, simply click on like. Also 360-degree videos, up to 8K quality, available on my channel. These are best viewed with VR glasses to decide what you want to see, because it gives you the best all-round view. All are in their own playlists, assigned as a series. And another thing. Subscribe to the channel for free, you are only one click away. With the activated bell, you won't miss a single new video anymore. Is it quick to write or type a short comment? Write me your impression. It's really easy. Share them with your friends on social media and other sites, it is definitely of interest to many, and now, sit back and enjoy watching.
Gefällt dir mein Video, klicke auf Like, abonniere meinen Kanal. Und die Glocke aktivieren, um das neueste Video nicht zu verpassen, ist gratis.